polish a concrete floor previously being covered with tile? The answer is yes, you can. But a better question would be, what will it look like? Well, that's exactly what we're going to find out. Two passes with a 30 grit metal bond diamond removed 100% of the glue. It's refining nicely. Now we're ready for 60s. So we ran our 30 grit metals, our 60 grit metals, we've passed the floor where necessary, and last night before we left we put a heavy application intensifier down. So today we're going to start wet cutting. We're going to start with a 50 grit transitional diamond, and we're going to use the rider. So you can polish a concrete floor previously having tile, and it turned out great. So again, just a quick recap. We did 30s and 60s to get rid of the glue, application of densifier, honed with a 50 transitional, continue honing with 100s, 200s, an additional application of densifier, and then we passed 400s. After running the 400s, we passed the auto scrubber, cleaned the floor thoroughly. Then we swabbed the floor with a microfiber mop. Then we applied an application of polish guard, swabbed that in also with a microfiber mop. Then we took a high-speed burnisher with a diamond impregnated pad at an 800 grit and went over the 400 grit polish that we have here.